But what this tour is going to consist of in that 90 minutes is stopping along the way, going over again the history of the area, you know, the times and dates, beginning of the river itself and the canyon. And then when we get up to Pillar Falls, when it's accessible like it is today, we'll be letting people out to go up there and explore. So, and if you guys want to get out up there, my time is your time. And we'll have 2 scenic tours up here to Pillar Falls that'll last 90 minutes, a morning tour and an afternoon tour. Between those tours, the boat is going to be doing a pickup and drop off for Shoshone Falls kayak trip. Okay? So that's not going to start until the fall is guaranteed to go back down. In a normal year, that's the second week of July, so we're taking reservations for then through August. But if it continues to be lower, we'll open it up sooner. But the way that guided kayak tour is going to work, right? Everyone wants to go up there. No one wants to kayak or carry their kayaks around Pillar.
It's not easy carrying a kayak. It's not fun. I'm exhausted. This is why people don't do this, because it's very tiring to carry this all the way over there. I would not recommend this. This is not fun.
So in the morning, the guides are going to pick up all the boats. They'll haul them up here. They're going to haul them over. The guests will check in down there at Centennial. They'll get their life jackets and their paddles. We'll pile them on here. We'll drive them up. We'll cruise them up over here to the sandy area where the guides will meet them, and they'll walk them up and around the pillars to their kayaks, hand them a bottle of water, and then they go the last 1.8 miles up to the falls. It's going to be all sit on top kayaks, so it'll be for anybody of any level. There's no worry of flooding kayaks, right? That sort of thing. They're all going to be trained and certified with the state as guides. And then when they bring them back, the boat in between the guided tours will be doing a shuttle for a morning and an afternoon Shoshone Falls guided tour. And it's once the river is up really high, we'll hang out here, putz around, have some more anecdotal history and stuff like that. But on days like today when it's open, we will let people out. So if you guys would like to get out, I am more than happy to dock up over here. What do you guys think?
Sure.